KapKen family. So now we're getting ready to do a template for the floor with this green guard board, foam board. So we're gonna lay all 3 pieces down, and then we're gonna take out this black mat from the floor, put it on top, and then create a template. Fell down again. You see it's a gap like right there.
Okay, I'll fill it up with it. See what I did. Alrighty, now we have to take this floor liner that we're using as a template and spread it out on the wood here so we can draw it out and then cut it out.
Is it at the end?
Yep. It's at the end perfect down here. Too far. Let me get it right there.
Right there.
We got the deadening down, we have the foam board down, and then we're gonna put down some zip system. Now what this is ODB board. I wouldn't waste your money paying $60, $80 for the, for the good stuff to put down. That's the hardest. But this stuff here is already treated. You see that green? It's already treated, water resistant, air resistant. So this is good enough. I went with 7/16 instead of a ½ inch, because I'm trying to save a little weight. So my thing I definitely want to do is make sure we know exactly what the weight is, because most people that's built with so much wood that they're killing their cargo capacity that their van can tow. So I do want to be able to tow my RV with this, so we're not trying to put all that big weight on there. So we probably saved about 50 to 75 pounds by using 7/16 instead of ½ inch or 3/4. All right, back to work. Look at her over there taking a phone break. Go off the phone, woman. I'm gonna go over here.
Right, go Kizzy, high five. No?
Yeah, high nose.
All right. Looks good, Kizzy. Looks good. Go Kizzy. Go Kizzy.
All right.
It's been a day, guys. It's been a day. I had to go.
All right, now we got this in, so we still have to glue it down. So right now, we got the sound deadening, which is 1/4 inch. We got the foam board, which is a 1/2 inch, and then we got the ODB zip system, which is already pre-stained with the water resistant top and wind resistant, or air resistant, I say that. So we're looking at just a little over 1 inch thickness, and it's she's rock solid, and she's not even nailed down yet. But we're not going to nail it down. We're going to be putting glue on everything, so it's just going to be glued down from the weight of everything else, and glued into that. It's not, I mean, nailed into it. It's not going anywhere. So once we get this glued down nicely, I got to go to the store get some more liquid nail. We're going to take the flooring, the rubber flooring here, and put it on top of that, and then we're going to put our vinyl sheet on top of that. So we wanted to put some tape on the seams, but we forgot. So we can put it on the top level, just forgot the bottom level. It's all good. Don't really matter. It was just something to do.
Extra caution.
Yep. She can dance like this all day, guys. Let's let her. Push your side this way. Push, 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 push. Is that far as it goes? Loves getting those stuff. Come on out. Where the seams are.
4 feet.